Hey everybody, it's Bear. Look here, I went grocery shopping last night, and part of that little circle involved going to the Dollar Tree. And I found some great stuff to cook at camp. I thought I'd show it to you. So let's dig right in. So there's a Dollar Tree, and I'm enjoying some coffee. Got cold again. Here we go, South Carolina. Alright, so let's see here. Now this was a mistake on my behalf. The Dollar Tree is not always the best place to buy stuff. At the grocery store, these come out to 22 cents or so a pack, and they're a 25 cent a pack in this box. But this is an Alpine spiced apple cider. I've got some true lemon packets. It's like dehydrated lemon, so I can make some lemon juice if I'm out, backpacking and fishing, and I want to make some fried fish on the trail. I got some lemon juice. I've got some Taster's Choice house blend instant coffee. Okay, we've got 6 packets in there for $1. And Dollar Tree, sometimes they have like one-off purchases where they get name brand stuff, not just that cheapy weird stuff we don't know where it came from. I got some Bumblebee spicy Thai, and I've got some Bumblebee tuna salad. Look here, I've got sun-dried tomato halves. I've got some black ripe pitted olives for cooking, do some Mediterranean dishes, put it with my tuna. I got some Spam knockoff for $1. And some bacon Spam knockoff for $1. I got 16 ounces of dried Great Northern beans for $1. Let's see, I got stuff in the cooler too. Let's see what I got. Y'all have seen me cook one of these. We've got a ribeye steak. This guy's 3.5 ounces, so she's not big, but that's a good breakfast steak, or you chop it up and use it in a stew. I've got a pork loin chop. That's right. This one's a 5-ounce pork loin chop, so a little more than the steak. Let's see what else I got. I've got riblets. I've got ribs from the Dollar Tree. Pork loin riblets. We're going to cook these up together and see if they're any good. Let's see, what else have I got in here? Oh, look here. Jimmy Dean's sausage links. I've got 6 links for $1. And one more thing. I got some Nico's crumbled feta cheese. You see there? 3 ounces for $1. So there you go. There's 15 items from the Dollar Tree to help save you money when you're cooking at camp. And, because the other gear is expensive, we got to cut some corners where we can. We'll see you on the trail.